a little bit edited. You can see my real beauty in Facebook, So I think I'm gonna use this one. So, what's up? Oh, I know. Hi guys, how are you today? How is your weather in your country? Our weather in our country is very hot. It's so hot when you go out in the street. It's really hot. It's summer in the Philippines. When I was in another country in Hong Kong, Macau, it's so cold. But when I came back in Philippines, no, I'm not in Macau. I'm not in Macau now. I'm in Philippines. I just arrived last month. So what you see, what I posted is just recently is a late, it's late because I'm very busy. So that's it. I'm just here since last month. I keep traveling and I'm planning to travel again. So actually I'm supposed to travel right now in Singapore, but the problem is I'm waiting for my box from Hong Kong. So I have a big box coming here in the Philippines, and since I'm alone here at home, nobody will receive except me. So I need to stay. So after I get my box, I receive my box from Hong Kong, then I can travel again. Because my family is far from here. So I live alone. I'm in Cavite. It changed me a lot. Before, I really love to wear too much accessories, but now it's simple. Just like this. But I have I think I'm gonna use this one. But I have 4 holes in my ears, that. So I have four, so that's it. I have so many earrings. If I'm in Macau, people will know. But for now, my plan is Singapore. So hopefully, I don't know, maybe next month. After I receive